There's some two red-tailed hawks right there, and where'd they go? There they are. This is a continuance of the rapture center, and he just took a shit on us, everybody.
He just poo-pooed.
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Lona's a
them are
boy.
cool looking.
Ain't they?
Where's the other one?
The other one.
Really?
That one's a
Hey, my name's T-Rail. This is
boy pooped.
Carolina Rapture Center Part 2.
Yep.
The boy pooped.
That boy pooped.
Yeah.
That boy pooped.
A boy pooped, right, Mommy?
Right, baby.
Let's go find your sleeping hours.
Bye-bye.
Ain't it pretty, Taylor?
So we're walking through the woods, everybody. We ain't gonna go straight, we're gonna go right. There's so many directions through these woods. Here you go.
Huh? There's so many ways.
There's so many ways.
Ain't supposed to be smoking in the forest, but we don't see no cameras in Oh, there's a squilling. And
Look at the
there's
mushrooms.
no
Wow.
mushrooms on the
Definitely
tree.
gonna take a picture of that.
Ain't that pretty?
Nature, man.
Nature.
That's that. Yep, this is the nature, everybody. What you drinking on, Miss Mary?
Water.
All right, let me have some. We got a sip of some water, getting hot, dehydrated. Authorized personnel only. I mean, there might be a camera around here somewhere. I don't know. Oh, we went to something. Can't go that way. We're going this way.
Right, Mommy?
Yep. Broad wing hawk. Can you see it?
Yeah.
When we lift you up? There's two in there. There's two in there. You see it?
Where's the food?
And there's
In the
a
bottom in that box.
Okay.
I love your bed.
broad-winged hawk.
Come
There's two of them in there. And yeah,
Went up on the map.
so many ways to go. This way,
Hey, Taylor.
this way. Come on, Tater boy.
Lola, like the owl I sleep.
I'm looking now.
Mommy! That one, that one,
Can't go through there. There's something there.
Vultures.
Vultures. We are in the vulture area now, y'all. Let me get that. Let me get that back. Oh yeah. Look,
Oh,
there
he
goes.
ugly.
Look at that vulture in there, y'all.
What's this one time? That
This is a vulture. Hey,
one. Whoa!
look at his head. Look at his head.
I know stupid owl.
Her name is Inca.
Taylor,
Inca.
come here.
Huh?
I don't like that word.
Inca the vulture.
Stupid. I don't. That's a mean
Hey
word.
there, little buddy.
Please stop saying that word.
Okay.
Nothing is stupid. Stop saying that word.
Okay.
Okay. I love you.
What's that one's name?
He is a yellow-headed vulture.
What's that
I
one's
don't say
name?
that about him.
Bye-bye,
What's
vulture.
that one's name?
Bye-bye,
This one's
buddy.
name is Inca.
Bye-bye, Inca.
Hi,
Lesser yellow-headed vulture.
hi, Inca.
Oh, we're at a dead end.
Hi, look at her.
Are we?
Yeah,
Hi,
we gotta go that way.
sister.
Meet and greet station.
Hey, this is really close, isn't it?
Well, my name's T-Rail. It's been the Rapture Center, part 2. Y'all enjoy the vultures and the animals. We'll see y'all later.